Are you eating oatmeal every morning, thinking it's the best thing for your heart, blood sugar, and overall health? But what if I told you that the way you eat oatmeal might actually be harming your health instead of helping it? Many older adults believe that just eating oatmeal is enough to stay healthy, but it's not that simple. Have you ever felt sluggish, experienced a blood sugar spike, or found yourself hungry again shortly after breakfast without knowing why? Or maybe you're eating those convenient pre-packaged oatmeal packets without realizing they're loaded with sugar and additives. The truth is, making mistakes with oatmeal can lead to weight gain, worsen diabetes, disrupt digestion, and even weaken your muscles. But don't worry, in this video, I'll reveal the 10 biggest mistakes people make when eating oatmeal. And, most importantly, how to fix them so you can get the full benefits of this superfood. Stick around until the end, because just a few small changes can turn your breakfast into a powerhouse of nutrition that keeps you strong, energized, and thriving in your golden years. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Adding too much sugar. Many people believe they're starting their day on a healthy note with a bowl of oatmeal, but in reality, they're unknowingly turning it into a sugar bomb. Take Michael, 68, for example. He thought his breakfast was nutritious: a warm bowl of oatmeal with a spoonful of brown sugar, a drizzle of honey, and occasionally a splash of syrup for extra flavor. Since oatmeal is considered healthy, he assumed adding a little sweetness wouldn't hurt. But then he noticed something strange. He felt sluggish by mid-morning, got hungry faster, and even started gaining weight despite not changing much in his diet. The problem? When you consume oatmeal with excessive sugar, your blood sugar spikes rapidly, causing your pancreas to release insulin to bring it down just as fast. This leads to an energy crash, leaving you feeling drained, sluggish, and constantly craving more food. For older adults, this cycle is even more dangerous as it increases the risk of diabetes and heart disease. Michael's doctor explained that while oatmeal itself is healthy, pairing it with too much sugar turns it into a counterproductive meal. According to the American Heart Association, older adults should consume no more than 24 grams of sugar per day for women and 36 grams for men. But just 1 tablespoon of syrup or honey can push you close to that limit before even considering the rest of the day's sugar intake. So, what's the solution? Michael adjusted his breakfast routine. He swapped the brown sugar and syrup for mashed banana, apple slices, and a sprinkle of cinnamon for natural sweetness. The result? No more mid-morning crashes, fewer cravings, and a more stable weight. The lesson here is simple. Oatmeal is only as healthy as the way you eat it. Instead of adding refined sugar, opt for natural ingredients like fresh fruit, cinnamon, or a dash of vanilla to enhance the flavor without compromising your health. If you're still watching this video and find these insights valuable, comment 1 below to let me know you're here, walking this journey with us toward a healthier, more meaningful life. Thank you for your precious time. And remember, every step you take today brings you closer to a happier, more fulfilling life. 2. Choose instant oatmeal. Did you know that a bowl of instant oatmeal can spike your blood sugar just as quickly as drinking a can of soda? If you often feel sluggish mid-morning, constantly crave sweets, or even notice unexpected weight gain despite thinking you're eating healthy, the culprit might be right in your daily bowl of oatmeal. Instant oatmeal seems like a healthy choice, but the truth is, it's been processed so much that it loses most of its natural fiber. This means that instead of digesting slowly and keeping you full like whole oats, instant oats cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash, leaving you drained, low on energy, and constantly hungry. According to the American Diabetes Association, high glycemic index (GI) foods, like instant oatmeal, increase the risk of diabetes and heart disease, especially in older adults. That means if you're concerned about blood pressure, heart health, or weight management, eating instant oatmeal every day could be silently harming your health without you even realizing it. But that's not all. Most pre-packaged instant oatmeal varieties are loaded with sugar and artificial flavors to enhance taste. A single packet can contain 12 to 15 grams of sugar, almost as much as a can of soda. You might think you're starting your day with a healthy choice, but in reality, you're unknowingly flooding your body with excess sugar. This extra sugar contributes to belly fat, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. So what's the solution? Don't worry, you don't have to give up oatmeal. You just need to choose the right kind. Instead of instant oatmeal, opt for rolled oats or steel-cut oats, which retain more fiber, digest more slowly, and keep you full longer without causing sudden blood sugar spikes. If time is a concern, here's a simple trick. Soak your oats overnight for a quick morning prep, or cook a large batch ahead of time and store it in the fridge. Small changes like these can make a big difference in keeping your body healthy and energized. If you're still watching this video and find these insights valuable, comment 2 below to let me know you're here, walking this journey with us toward a healthier, more meaningful life. 3. No added protein. Oatmeal is rich in fiber but lacks protein, which means it digests faster and doesn't keep you full for long. According to research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a breakfast with adequate protein helps reduce hunger throughout the morning and prevents midday energy crashes. Without protein, your body quickly converts oatmeal into sugar, causing a rapid blood sugar spike followed by a crash, leaving you feeling sluggish and craving snacks. Take the story of Susan, 72 years old. She always started her day with a bowl of oatmeal, but by mid-morning, she felt exhausted and reached for a pastry to keep going. After consulting a nutritionist, she was advised to add Greek yogurt and chia seeds to her oatmeal. She gave it a try and immediately noticed the difference. She no longer felt hungry so quickly, had more energy, and most importantly, didn't feel the urge to snack as much as before. You can do the same. Just add a little chia seeds, flax seeds, peanut butter, or a scoop of protein powder, and your oatmeal will become a nutrient-packed breakfast that keeps you full longer and provides steady energy throughout the day. Don't let your breakfast be just carbs. Add protein today and feel the difference. 4. Use sweetened milk. According to the American Heart Association, a single cup of sweetened milk contains 12 to 20 grams of sugar, which is equivalent to nearly 5 teaspoons of sugar. This means that even if you're trying to have a healthy breakfast, adding sweetened milk unintentionally increases your calorie intake. Excess sugar leads to weight gain, blood sugar spikes, and a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. History has shown that a high-sugar diet is a major contributor to chronic diseases. In the 20th century, with the rapid rise of the food industry, sweetened dairy products and condensed milk became a staple in many diets. This led to a sharp increase in metabolic diseases like obesity and diabetes. In the 1950s and 1960s, when manufacturers began adding sugar to enhance flavor, the average sugar consumption per person skyrocketed. As a result, an entire generation faced worsening health issues, particularly in middle and old age. So, what's the solution? Opt for unsweetened milk to better control your calorie intake. Instead of condensed or sweetened milk, try unsweetened cow's milk, almond milk, or walnut milk. If you enjoy a naturally sweet taste, add a touch of cinnamon or vanilla to your oatmeal for flavor, without the unnecessary sugar. Small changes in food choices can make a big difference in your health. Start today, check your fridge, and make the smarter switch. 5. Eating oatmeal without vegetable fiber. Have you ever wondered, I eat oatmeal every morning, so why am I still constipated? If this happens, there's a good chance your breakfast is missing one key ingredient: vegetables. Oatmeal is great, but if you're only eating oats without fiber from greens, your digestive system has to work much harder. When you were younger, digestion wasn't something you had to think about. But as we age, things change. The digestive system slows down, the intestines become less flexible, and without enough fiber, food moves through more slowly, leading to bloating, discomfort, and constipation. Many people assume oatmeal has fiber, so that should be enough. But the truth is, oats only provide a fraction of what your body needs. Fiber from vegetables helps clean out the intestines, stimulates digestion, and makes you feel lighter after meals. If you've ever felt bloated or sluggish after breakfast, try making a small change. Just adding a bit of mashed pumpkin, shredded carrots, or a handful of blended spinach to your oatmeal can make all the difference. No drastic changes needed. Just a little extra fiber from vegetables each day can keep your digestion running smoothly and help you feel better all day long. If you're still watching this video and find these insights valuable, comment 5 below to let me know you're here, walking this journey with us toward a healthier, more meaningful life. 6. Not controlling portions. Eating too much oatmeal. Oatmeal is healthy, so you can eat as much as you want. This is a common belief, and also the reason why many people eat oatmeal but still gain weight, feel bloated, and experience fatigue. Linda, 72, was proud of switching to oatmeal every morning instead of bread or cereal. But after just a few months, she noticed her weight wasn't dropping, it was increasing. Her clothes felt tighter, and she couldn't understand why. After all, everyone says oatmeal is great for weight loss and overall health. When she visited her doctor, they took a closer look at her diet and discovered that she had been eating too much oatmeal without balancing it properly with protein and healthy fats. At this age, the body doesn't burn calories as quickly as it once did, and digestion slows down. If you eat too much oatmeal in one sitting without pairing it with protein and healthy fats, your body absorbs more carbs than it needs, causing blood sugar spikes and fat accumulation, especially around the belly. This can increase the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and slow metabolism, making you feel sluggish and less energetic. Remember, eating healthy isn't just about choosing the right foods. It's also about eating them in the right amounts. Stick to about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of dry oats per serving and pair it with chia seeds, almonds, Greek yogurt, or a bit of peanut butter for a balanced meal that keeps you full without unwanted weight gain. 7. Eat oatmeal at night. Imagine this. You eat a bowl of oatmeal at night with no protein or healthy fats, just oats with milk or a little sugar. As soon as you finish, your body starts absorbing the carbs, your blood sugar spikes, and suddenly you feel a surge of energy, exactly when you should be winding down for sleep. The result? Restlessness, tossing and turning, and excess energy that isn't burned off, leading to fat storage. Nutritionists warn that consuming high-carb foods at night without protein or fats slows metabolism and encourages fat accumulation, especially around the belly. This is even more concerning for those with diabetes or blood sugar regulation issues. Instead of helping with weight control, eating the wrong way at night can actually lead to increased fat storage. If you really want to have oatmeal in the evening, make it more balanced. Add chia seeds, walnuts, or a boiled egg to stabilize blood sugar and slow carbohydrate absorption. Or better yet, opt for a protein-rich nighttime snack like Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts. This will keep you full longer, promote better sleep, and prevent unwanted weight gain. 8. Not chewing thoroughly. Many people have the habit of eating quickly, especially when they think soft oatmeal doesn't require much chewing. But this is a mistake that forces the digestive system to work overtime. As we age, our digestive system is not as strong as it once was. When food isn't chewed properly, the stomach has to work twice as hard to break it down, leading to bloating, indigestion, and even stomach discomfort. Worse yet, if digestion slows down, oatmeal can ferment in the gut, causing gas and making you feel uncomfortable all day. Eating for health is important, but eating the wrong way can backfire. Gastroenterologists emphasize that digestion begins in the mouth. Chewing thoroughly breaks food into smaller pieces, while saliva helps pre-digest it before it reaches the stomach. If you don't chew well, your body won't fully absorb all the nutrients from oatmeal, meaning you're eating but not reaping its full benefits. Try making a small change today. Eat slowly, chew each bite well, savor the flavor, and give your digestive system a break. If you're still watching this video and find these insights valuable, comment 8 below to let me know you're here, walking this journey with us toward a healthier, more meaningful life. 9. Thinking that oats are a superfood. Many people believe that eating oatmeal every day is enough for a healthy diet. They have oatmeal for breakfast, and some even eat it for lunch and dinner, thinking it's a superfood that promotes weight loss, heart health, and longevity. But the truth isn't that simple. Take Linda, 72, for example. She replaced almost her entire diet with oatmeal, convinced it was the golden food for good health. At first, she felt lighter, and her digestion seemed to improve. But after a few months, she started experiencing persistent fatigue, excessive hair loss, dry skin, and even mild memory issues. A visit to the doctor revealed severe deficiencies in vitamin B12, iron, and protein, nutrients that oatmeal alone couldn't provide. Oatmeal is great, but it cannot replace all other essential foods. Overconsuming it without supplementing with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals from other sources can lead to muscle loss, cognitive decline, and even osteoporosis due to calcium and vitamin D deficiency. Oatmeal should be part of a balanced diet, not a one-size-fits-all solution. The key isn't to give up oatmeal, but to eat it smartly and in balance. Ensure your meals include a variety of nutrients. Protein from eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, or chicken helps maintain muscle and energy. Healthy fats from almonds, walnuts, olive oil, or nut butter aid in vitamin absorption. Vegetables and fruits like spinach, carrots, pumpkin, apples, and blueberries provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals to keep your body functioning smoothly. No single food is a miracle cure, and no one ingredient can replace all the nutrients your body needs. A diverse, well-rounded diet is the real secret to living longer, staying healthier, and truly enjoying life. So, oatmeal lovers, we've been through a lot today, haven't we? Who knew that your innocent bowl of oats could be secretly messing with your health? But don't panic. Your breakfast isn't doomed. The key is eating it the right way, so you get all the benefits without the sugar crashes, weight gain, or energy slumps. Now that you know the 9 biggest oatmeal mistakes, it's time to fix them. Swap that sugary instant oatmeal for rolled or steel-cut oats, add some protein and healthy fats, and for the love of breakfast, stop drowning it in syrup. Your future self, fitter, more energetic, and still enjoying oats, will thank you. But before you go, I want to hear from you. Which mistake have you been making? Drop a comment below and let's all laugh and learn together. And hey, if this video saved your breakfast, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and don't forget to share this with your fellow oatmeal enthusiasts. Now go forth and conquer your oatmeal. Just, the right way. See you in the next video.